And there you go guys, as you can see right here guys, the gems and golds are started increasing guys. So that's how you can get free gems and gold in Dragon City guys. Alright guys, so first you need to open your browser. You can use any browser you want, and you need to go to this website which is appworld.site. You can see on the screen right here. And once you're on the website, you can scroll down to find the Dragon City, or you can just search from it. Alright, here it is. Just click on Dragon City, and now click on download now button, and then click on allow and continue. Now please wait. This tool is going to prepare mode APK, I mean Dragon City mode APK for your device. So please wait for a while. Alright, now you can see here the download is ready. So let's click on download now button. You can see also here the file name, size and everything. Alright, just click on download now. Now please wait, it's starting to download the game. Alright guys, as you can see here, we have to do a device verification, which is very easy. Let me show you how you can do it in just a few single steps. Just click on verify and click complete download button. Alright guys, right now here you will see a couple of offers. Sometimes you might see different offers. It depends on from where you are. If you are from another country, you might see a different offer. So what we have to do here do here is we need to complete a couple of offers. Let's complete let's complete all these two offers and follow its instruction. Remember guys, each offer has its own instruction and condition. So before you complete any offer, make sure that you read it. Alright, let's complete another offer. And yeah guys, I'm going to speed up this part to save some times, because it will take a lot of time if I will keep showing you this process. Alright guys, as you can see right here, we have completed both of ours. Now it's time to close this and let's open Dragon City. Alright, the game is loading, so please give it a time. Let's wait for a while. Let's see if the gems, and there you go guys, as you can see right here guys, the gems and golds are started increasing guys. So that's how you can get free gems and gold in Dragon City guys. Thank you for watching guys, and if you need any help, please let me know in the comment box and I will try to help you out guys. Thank you so much for watching guys.